Welcome to Who Wins Reviews. The best art for toddlers is probably one of the most exciting ways to spark creativity and development in your little ones. Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of art supplies designed specifically for toddlers aged 2 to 4. We'll explore the best options to encourage artistic expression, from chunky crayons to washable paints, all while keeping safety and fun at the forefront. Get ready to unleash your child's inner artist. Number 5. Disney Princess Necklace Activity Case. This jewelry making kit lets girls design their own Disney princess themed necklaces. It includes beads, charms, and colorful cords. They can create unique accessories. The kit features charms of favorite princesses like Belle, Ariel, and Cinderella. It's a magical way to make accessories with their favorite characters. It comes with a reusable carry case to keep everything organized. This makes it perfect for travel and on-the-go play, and easy to clean up. This kit is great for developing hand-eye coordination and self-expression. It helps build confidence through hands-on crafting. It's a fun and creative activity kit, ideal for birthdays or holidays. It's a great rainy day activity for any young Disney princess fan. This imaginative arts and crafts kit makes a wonderful surprise for kids ages 3 and up. Front graphics and charms may vary. What we like. This jewelry making kit lets kids design their own princess necklaces. It includes charms of beloved Disney princesses, making it a magical experience. If you're looking for a fun, creative activity that encourages fine motor skills and self-expression, you should consider this. What people say. The kit comes with plenty of beads, charms, and strings, allowing girls to create custom necklaces while practicing fine motor skills and creativity. The portable storage case keeps everything organized, so cleanup is easy and nothing gets lost. The clasp feature is pretty intuitive and so simple for kids to use. Number 4. KIZZYEA Water Doodle Mat, Educational and Fun. This amazing mat is perfect for young artists aged 2 to 6. It allows kids to express themselves through drawing, fostering their imagination and creativity. They can create colorful masterpieces with ease. Forget messy paints and crayons. This water doodle mat is a clean and reusable alternative. Simply fill the pen with water and watch the drawings magically disappear, ready for new creations. It's also printed with fun patterns to help them learn. Made with safe, non-toxic materials, this mat ensures worry-free playtime. The water-resistant backing prevents any mess, keeping surfaces clean and dry. It's built to withstand hours of creative fun. This kit includes everything your child needs to get started. It comes with pens, stencils, and a drawing booklet, providing endless possibilities for artistic expression. It's large enough for multiple kids to play together. Looking for a great gift? This water doodle mat is ideal for birthdays and holidays. It encourages early learning, develops cognitive skills, and provides a fun way for parents and children to bond. It is a perfect gift for kids. What we like. This water doodle mat is a great alternative to traditional paper, allowing kids to draw and create without the mess. It's also educational, with patterns to help them learn. If you have a toddler who loves to draw and you want a clean, reusable, and engaging activity, you should consider this. What people say. Easy cleanup, no messes, no paint anywhere but on the magic rug. Easy use and sturdy, definitely worth the money. This product is great. My daughter loves it and I love it because there is no mess. It kept my daughter busy. You can also reuse the mat as many times as you want. Once it dries, you can start all over again. Perfect for young children. Great, came with all the pens as shown, keeps my little one very busy, are great learning tool and mess-free. Just add water to the pens. Number 3. WATINC Animal Hand Puppet Making Kit. This all-in-one kit comes with everything needed to create unique puppets. It includes colorful puppets, pom-poms, googly eyes, and felt decorations. It's a great way to foster creative play and artistic expression. This educational toy is designed to boost brain development. Kids can enhance their imagination and fine motor skills. It also builds social skills through interactive play. These projects are easy, safe, and fun for kids at home or school. Children will love creating their own puppets and engaging in imaginative play. The materials are non-toxic and child-safe. This kit is an excellent gift for various occasions. It's perfect for Christmas, Halloween, or birthday parties. It combines fun with developmental benefits, making it a hit for kids. With this kit, kids can customize their own designs. They can use the included decorations to express their creativity. The process is simple and enjoyable, encouraging kids to bring their puppet characters to life. What we like. This kit provides everything needed to create unique hand puppets, encouraging imaginative play. It enhances fine motor skills and is perfect for indoor fun. If you like fostering creativity and storytelling, you should consider this. What people say. The art supplies are perfect for toddlers. The set includes a variety of materials suitable for young children. The materials are easy to clean. Number 2. Melissa and Doug Animal Stamp Set. Introducing the Melissa and Doug Animal Stamp Set. This set is perfect for sparking creativity and fun. It's a great way to encourage imaginative play. This deluxe set comes with 30 wooden stamps. They feature a variety of animals, from farm creatures to ocean animals. It's a whole zoo in one box. The set includes 2 washable ink pads and 6 vibrant markers. The ink is washable, so it's easy to clean up. This makes it perfect for kids aged 4 and up. This stamp set helps develop hand-eye coordination. It also encourages storytelling and imaginative play. It's a fantastic way for children to express themselves. This set is designed for children aged 4 and up. The package dimensions are 14.5 by 12.25 by 1.5 inches. Get ready for hours of creative fun with it. What we like. This wooden stamp set features various animals and comes with washable ink pads and markers. It helps develop hand-eye coordination and encourages imaginative play. If you are looking for a classic art activity that sparks creativity, you should consider this. What people say. The art supplies are perfect for toddlers. The set includes a variety of materials, such as crayons, markers, and paint, which provides multiple options for creative expression. The materials are designed to be safe and easy for young children to use. Number 1. Soucolor markers for toddlers. These markers come in 8 vibrant colors, perfect for young artists. They can create beautiful works of art with these colors, adding dots of color to transform plain paper into a vibrant canvas. The water-based formula makes it easy to wash off hands, clothes, and surfaces. This ensures quick cleanup and worry-free crafting sessions. Kids will love the fun, mess-free way to create colorful masterpieces. A non-toxic and water-based formula ensures the safety of your child. Parents can have peace of mind knowing that their little ones are using safe art supplies. The markers are specifically made for toddlers and preschool children. From dot art projects to coloring, these markers offer endless possibilities for toddlers' arts and crafts. They are great for creating dot paintings, dot-to-dot activities, and more. Each marker contains a generous 2 ounces of ink. These dot markers encourage imagination, creativity, and hand-eye coordination. The round sponge tips allow easy dotting and blending. These markers will be a great gift choice for engaging your child in educational activities. What we like. These dot markers come in vibrant colors and are mess-free and washable, making them perfect for toddlers. They encourage creativity and hand-eye coordination. If you want a fun, easy-to-use art supply for your little one, you should consider this. What people say. These dot markers are great. The perfect thickness for little hands to practice their fine motor skills. The ink colors are bright and look beautiful. These are great dot markers and a great price. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.